Krishna Byre Gowda. Krishna Byre Gowda, born 4 April 1973, is an Indian politician who was the Minister of Rural Development, Law and Parliamentary Affairs in the cabinet of H D Kumaraswamy and member of Legislative Assembly of the Byatarayanapura Constituency, in office since June 2008. Born in Bangalore, Krishna, he was a project associate at the Ethiopian Embassy in Washington before earning his M.A. degree. He then worked as an agriculturalist at his family-owned farm in Kolar district between 2000 and 2002. In 2003, he again worked as a project associate at Development Alternatives, Inc. He has served 3 times as an M.L.A. of Karnataka State, twice from Vemgal in Kolar district from 2003 to 2007, and from 2008 to 2013 from the Byatarayanapura Constituency in Bengaluru. Krishna has served as the president of the Karnataka Pradesh Youth Congress between 2007 and 2011 and currently holds the office of General Secretary of the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee since 2012. Early life. Krishna Byre Gowda was born in Bangalore, Karnataka, to C. Byre Gowda and Savith Rama. He graduated with a bachelor's degree in business management from Christ College, now known as Christ University, in Bangalore in 1994. He then graduated with a master's degree M.A. from the School of International Service at American University in Washington, D.C. in 1999. Career. Krishna Byre Gowda worked as a project associate at Development Alternatives, Inc. in Washington, D.C. The mission is to make a difference in the world by helping societies and economies become more prosperous, fairer and more just, safer, more stable, more efficient, and better governed. As a project associate at DAI, Krishna worked on several projects to do with development issues and ways to solve them. Political career. He began his political career in 2003 when his father, an All India Progressive Janata Dal leader C. Byre Gowda, died. Mr. C. Byre Gowda was a senior legislator and cabinet minister of Karnataka State, having served as an M.L.A. for 5 consequent terms. He was agriculture minister from 1996 to 1999 in the cabinet of Chief Minister J.H. Hotel. In October 2003, Krishna contested and won the by-election to fill his late father's Legislative Assembly seat from Vemgal, Kolar district, to become one of the youngest members of the Karnataka legislature. In April 2004, Krishna Byre Gowda left the All India Progressive Janata Dal political party to join the Indian National Congress and won the Vemgal, Karnataka Legislative Assembly seat. Krishna Byre Gowda became president of the Karnataka Pradesh Youth Congress Committee in November 2007. In 2008, Krishna Byre Gowda chose to compete for the urban Byatarayanapura constituency in Bangalore and won the election with 43% of the votes, defeating A. Ravi of the Bharatiya Janata Party with a margin of 9,352 votes. Since then, Krishna has focused on addressing problems unique to urban residents like bad roads, traffic congestion, drainage problems, and uncleared garbage. Krishna lost the general election in 2009 for the Bangalore South Lok Sabha constituency in the 2009 Indian general election to Ananth Kumar of BJP. Krishna Byre Gowda was elected as a minister in Chief Minister Siddaramaia's cabinet on 18 May 2013 at a very young age of 40. He is again made minister in H D Kumaraswamy cabinet. Personal life. Krishna Byre Gowda is married to Meenakshi. Positions held: Cabinet Minister for Rural Development and Panchayat Raj, Government of Karnataka, May 2018-2019. Cabinet Minister for Agriculture, Government of Karnataka, May 2013-2018. President, Karnataka Pradesh Youth Congress, 2007 March 2011. Member of the Legislative Assembly Byatarayanapura, Bangalore, 2008 current. Member of the Legislative Assembly, Vemgal, Kolar District, Karnataka, 2003 million, 42,004 2007 and 7 Project Associate, Development Alternatives, Inc., Washington, D.C., 2003, operated self-owned agricultural farm in Bangalore, 2002. Project Associate, Ethiopian Embassy, Washington, D.C., 1998-99. References equals